if not a complete new idea. For this topic, you simply choose one as what you prefer and gives reasons from your personal examples and life experience. And please do not put details or examples in introduction paragraph, but only in the body where they belong. This is to introduce something. What is it? Thesis statement, of course. Again, here, no explicit subject claim and subtopics, which usually are the objects of the thesis statement. That set the scopes for topic sentence to follow in a body. Do not show up what the ideas are on the way you go. That is an upside-down structure, and that takes away others, position, and functions. I will never emphasize enough that if you don't have a thesis statement, then you may not have a conclusion either, and you got only half of the body right for the score points. The whole upside-down structure is confusing and difficult, as main ideas is hidden, implied, or incomplete with no subject claim. For IELTS, the exam grader seems a little tolerant, while TOEFL and SAT grader will definitely give you only half of the score. The same mistakes as the above. I won't repeat again here. What else you see that needs to improve? We should not spend time writing several sentences to start an introduction and yet spend only a few words for a thesis statement. The last thing you want to do is to put the description of details in it. This is an introduction, but it looks like it starts the body right away with all the details. Secondly, try not to write a thesis statement with a low subordinate sentence, which really weaken your claim. Because you can't divide your preference percentage, and you don't need to like something 100%. All you need is just to make effort to prove why it is that shining points make you like it the best. You don't get any points for something, and you won't prove about what is less you like. Instead of, I prefer eating at home, if you say, eating at home will keep a healthier diet, then we know there are health-related diet and homemade meals issues to discuss. You won't even say a healthier eating. Eating has no much meaning itself to discuss as compared with diet. It is important that you choose a noun that has notion or definition, which contains some meaning to relate, to argue, to defend, rather than just a simple fact or an object. For this, we'll teach you in further extent in next course. Congratulations! Thank you for attending